$6 trillion. That's how much Americans saved during the pandemic. And now, with lockdowns lifting, from LA to London, in tens of thousands of cities worldwide, that money is about to flood into the global economy and potentially into your pocket. In fact, as the New York Times put it, when the pandemic ends, that cash could be unleashed, like melting snow in the Rockies. So, when that cash avalanche rolls down the mountain, wouldn't you like to be standing at the bottom with your pockets wide open? If so, keep watching. Okay, hi there, it's John Ellis here, and you definitely don't know me. You haven't heard about the $502,000 I made during lockdown, or the $3,400 a day I've averaged this year with e-commerce. You don't know about my side hustle, helping average people make money like this. Or the traffic I get, riding cutting-edge trends. And you definitely never saw me through my blacked-out windows. That's because I prefer to keep a low profile. But today, I'm speaking up. Because there's $6 trillion that's about to roll down a mountain. And depending on where you live, a few $1 billion is about to fall into your back garden. See, lockdown has put the entire world economy on hold. No cinemas, no traveling, no dating, no eating out, no making out. In fact, about the only people who made out were Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. And also those weird crypto trading guys. More on those guys in a second. But now, as we enter summer 2021, times are changing. Lockdowns are lifting, stimulus checks are dropping, and small businesses are reopening. And it's not just offline and local that's about to explode. Very specific internet niches just got a mega jab of their own. With huge demand on Google and Facebook and massive traffic spikes, searches for online travel businesses just quadrupled. Dating sites are adding billions right now. Virtual fitness classes are exploding, and okay, you get the idea. There is a huge transfer of wealth that's about to happen right now, from one industry to the next, from one person's pocket to yours. So, would you like to silently slide in and take your cut of the traffic and the commissions with a new AI affiliate website that taps into this $6 trillion avalanche and auto-generates content, traffic, and commissions by just typing in a single keyword? Easy question, right? Of course you're in. Okay, great. Then let me show you how you can generate huge commissions on the fly. Simply by loading up a cloud-based app and entering the name of any city or town. Then instantly, an entire website was built for you, with content and monetization focused on that town or city. And then, every single day, your website makes money for you on autopilot. How? By auto-creating content that ranks on Google for trending local buyer keywords. So you get free viral traffic like this. And then, fully on autopilot, your website turns that traffic into commissions, with multiple income streams from ClickBank, cryptocurrencies, dating sites, travel mega sites, Warrior Plus, Google AdSense, and many, many more. And all you need to do is enter the name of a single place, tap 6 buttons, and watch as your done-for-you website is built, with daily content, Google rankings, and autopilot monetization. So you can tap into that $6 trillion cash pile by riding the trends and building a commission monopoly in any town or city you like. Whether it's on social media or search, you'll be the one cleaning up and making commissions. Because nobody, and I mean nobody, knows about this method I'm about to show you. Huge media outlets are only just now starting to talk about it. And let me ask you, have you seen any of the gurus teaching this? Exactly, and that's what makes it so beautiful. There's zero competition, so you get to keep all of this traffic to yourself. Best of all, we can all do this. In fact, we aren't even going to make a dent in this cash pile, because even if we have 100,000 people doing that around the world, that barely scratches the surface on the $6 trillion that's about to cascade into cities and towns near you. Sounds incredible, right? And I know, you want to click the button now. But first, and before we move forward, you need to know 3 things. 1. This new method only works with Google and Facebook traffic. 2. This new method only works if you live near a town or city of at least 1,000 people. 3. this new method only started working in the last 6 weeks. In fact, this method did not work in 2020, it will not work in 2022, and it works best right now in 2021. Sounds crazy, right? Now, here's what this is all about. Hi, John here. And in 2020, the sky was falling. Companies went bankrupt and millions lost their jobs. But major governments around the world had a secret weapon. They could literally print money. And print money they did. From grants and loans to stimulus checks and cash payments. Literally trillions of dollars was handed over to individuals in the US, UK, Canada, and all over the world. But there was a problem. Until now, there was nothing to spend it on. People couldn't leave the house, go on dates, they couldn't travel or use the gym. In fact, experts estimate that over $6 trillion in cash was saved and stockpiled. And now, as lockdowns lift, that money is about to explode onto the economy, online and offline. See, there's about to be a huge cash transfer, and suitcases of it are heading to a town or city near you. Tens of billions if you live in a major city, and hundreds of millions if you live in a small town. Heck, even if you live in a backwater hamlet, there's still hundreds of thousands up for grabs. Imagine if you could slide in at the last minute and insert yourself into this cash transfer before this one-time cash window closes forever. Sounds like a pipe dream? Not at all. In fact, this could well be your reality, provided you follow my exact instructions. So listen carefully. Then let my AI do the talking. Literally. Okay, now here's where you come in. Using a new automated website I just developed, and by automatically tapping into free traffic that no one else knows about, you can unlock the post-pandemic profits that major news outlets are starting to talk about. So, want to know how it's done? Presenting Traffic Avalanche, a new done-for-you website builder that lets you build a local monopoly with free traffic and affiliate commissions on autopilot. So here's how it works. Step 1. First, you enter the name of a place. It could be a town or city, or a borough or district. We recommend you enter the place where you live, but it's up to you. I'm going to enter Surrey, which is a small town in the UK where I live. Now, there's only a few £1,000,000 up for grabs in this location. But I know the area, and that local knowledge will help me get more viral traffic, which I'll talk about in a moment. Traffic like this. Now, enter a few more details about this place. This takes less than a minute, but it's very important, because it prepares the AI engine, which is going to write our content and get us traffic. And don't worry, you'll never need to write a thing after this. Step 2. Next, we enter our affiliate IDs. This only takes a few minutes, but it's how we make money. See, your new website is pre-filled with automatic AI content about your area. This AI-generated content sucks in free traffic from Google and Facebook, and then the banners and affiliate links convert the traffic into commissions for all these sites. Just plug in your affiliate ID and your links are created and added to the site. It couldn't be easier. You can get paid with ClickBank, cryptocurrencies, travel mega sites, dating sites, Warrior Plus, Google AdSense, and many, many more. Rest assured, if there's a cash transaction happening near you, online or off, your site will find a way to monetize it. Step 3. Now we decide on our site categories. You can choose from make money, health and fitness, travel, eating out, nightlife, cryptocurrencies. This tells the AI software what to write about every day. All you need to do is tap on the booming content categories you want, and the AI does the rest. And by the way, in case you're wondering how the content engine works, it uses neural networks to write unique content around trends that are happening in your local town. But don't worry too much about that. Just know, this content gets you traffic on autopilot. Step 4. Now we click launch and watch as our site goes live. No need to worry about domains or hosting, and definitely no need to worry about content or traffic, because as soon as we click the launch website button, our site instantly goes live and starts pumping out daily unique content targeted at our local area. Now every day, we start to rank for dozens of buyer keywords that no one else even knows about. But that's just the start. Your site has social sharing built right in. so you and your users can share the site to dozens of social media platforms, meaning your site goes viral and dominates your local area. Imagine that the AI robot writes daily content about your local city. Your website ranks on Google for in-demand keywords, the same keywords that local people, buyers, are searching for right now. These buyers click through and buy. Then they share it on social media, and you get the commissions from dozens of mega sites. And that's all there is to it. With Traffic Avalanche, anyone can enter a single city or town, create an instant authority site with daily unique content, start getting viral content from Google and Facebook, and extract commissions from the 2021 post-pandemic bounce-back boom. Can you see how easy this is? Making money with your own website has never been this simple. So there you have it. Traffic Avalanche is a fresh new way to profit from the $6 trillion cash avalanche that's about to hit the Western world starting now. This month, you could well be getting free traffic from Google and Facebook for the most in-demand niches and making huge commissions and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the city or town you enter or the categories you choose for your website, we are instantly locked in on the money. So we're finally playing the affiliate game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor and doing it with my automated Traffic Avalanche loophole. And by the way, now is the best time to start with this. But smart analysts are saying this cash bonanza could go on for years. In fact, you could pay a small one-time fee today and still be profiting from this in 2023. So don't worry, you have years of free traffic and profits ahead of you. But you still need to act now before the price increases forever. So, are you ready to take the free traffic and commissions to the next level? Isn't it time you extracted some floating commissions from this $1 trillion bonanza? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the software. Then you spend less than a minute configuring the app. And then your website goes live, starts adding content, and starts getting you traffic. It only takes a few seconds to set and forget. But this is the time for you to act. This opportunity and the cash avalanche is highly time sensitive. It will be around for at least another year, but the next few months is where the real big money will be made. And so you must act now. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. Then you'll be taken to the payment page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software in under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally make money from the $6 trillion avalanche. 2020 sucked, but 2021 is about to explode. Haven't you been looking for an edge like this your whole life? This could be your last real chance to profit this year, maybe ever. It's your time to take advantage of the biggest cash bonanza of all time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button for instant access. This is your chance to profit from a $6 trillion cash wave, and do it right from your hometown. Isn't it time you outsourced all the hard work to AI and got your own autopilot, auto-content, auto-traffic website? But this opportunity won't be around forever. Don't let it pass you by. Okay, I think you understand what's at stake here. Click the button now for instant access to my software. You'll get instant access to your Traffic Avalanche website, along with all the training and quick start guide. Do it now, don't wait on this. Click the button right away. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.